I'm ditching my dream house so that I can travel full time, and I gotta pack today because I'm leaving in 4 days. I bought this house with the intention of living here until I died, but I quickly realized that owning a gigantic house just isn't for me. I used to actually travel full time, but then COVID happened and I was like, wow, it's kind of a scary time not to have a house. So when I bought this house, I had the intention of settling down. And then I got pregnant and a weird time warp happened, and I don't know, it's 4 years later, and I realized that I was never the type to live in a house. I want to still travel. To be totally honest, I'm just straight up really bored. Everybody teaches you having a house is the pinnacle of success, but to be honest, the pinnacle of success for me is having enough passive income that I can travel and live anywhere in the world whenever I want without having to work. And buying a house kind of separated me from that goal because I have all these bills, I have all these expenses, I have all this maintenance, and that is literally stealing the money from my travel dreams and stealing my time. And ultimately, this just didn't pan out in the way that I was thinking it would, or it didn't give me the joy and happiness that I thought that it would. Yeah, if your idea of success is living in a gigantic house, good for you. Or if your idea of success is renting your apartment so that you can close the door and go travel, good for you. Ultimately, I'm really glad I had this experience and I was able to do postpartum in my pregnancy here. So just know that owning a giant house isn't all it's cracked up to be. Because while I'm grateful for the fact that this house has appreciated since I've lived here, I have been envious the whole time of all you guys who rent and you can just pick up and leave whenever you want. So I'm gonna undo it all and start over.